Hi guys, my name is Aurelian. I'm systemeio founder, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a basic sales funnel using systemeio. So it's very simple. You're going to see here you have, so that's actually my real account here. So that's why I've hidden some info. So you go to funnels, and here you can create a new sales funnels by clicking on the create button. So you have four options, right? You can choose, like, actually you're going to choose like a basic templates. Like, it depends if you want to collect some emails, if you want to build your email list, if you want to sell a product, if you want to create your custom funnel, or if you want to run an evergreen webinar. But it doesn't really matter, because actually you can do anything you want. You're just going to get like a basic template. So let's say I want to build my email list, right? I'm gonna click on save. So here on the left side, I have the list of my funnels pages, right? So the first page is gonna be a squeeze page. The second page is gonna be a thank you page, and I can click on them and choose the template, and then I have like different options, right? So first step is to choose the template. So I have different templates I can choose from. Let's say I'm going to choose this one, right? So here I have the basic step configuration, right? Squeeze page is fine. Here I can change the path. So I'm going to click on edit page. Right, so using our editor, you can do pretty much anything you want, right? If I want to add a video, maybe there, you know, right? Then I can play with the options to change the design, maybe the top margin, right? I can remove the logo. I mean, you know, I can here. So I recommend you all the time to play with the column layout. It's better if you add maybe a column with 2 rows or 3 rows, so you get like your items on your page put it in a nice way, right? With a nice design. So here you can add an input form, right? Let's say I want to ask people for their first name. So here I have to select the kind of info I want to ask for. Let's say it's going to be first name. So enter your first name, right? And I can change a little bit, right? Add some space. I can add a pop-up too. I mean, you can do pretty much anything you want. We use systemeio to create all our marketing pages and our membership sites too, right? So you click on Save Changes, you can exit. And there is something that's very important. It's that you should, I mean, there are no email lists inside of systemeio. We have contacts, and we use tags to segment the different contacts, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to create like maybe a generic tag like contacts, right? For people who opt in on your list but haven't bought anything yet. And you're going to create some tags for each product or offer you sell. This way in the future, you're going to be able to send some emails to your customers, emails to your non-customers. So it's the way you're going to segment your list, right? So I created a basic tag that's called contacts. So here you can set automation rules. You can go to the automation rules item in the main menu too, but you can do it inside of your sales funnel. So I selected the squeeze page. I'm in automation rules. So when this form is subscribed, I can add some actions. I can subscribe the contact to a campaign, unsubscribe from an email campaign, add a tag, remove a tag, send an email to this contact, for example, to send him like a free PDF or a free guide or anything you want. I can send an email to a different email address, maybe if you want to get notified, if you want to notify someone on your team, or I can also enroll the contact in a course, which allows you to give free access to your membership site to some contacts. They just have to opt in, right? So let's say I want to add a tag. So here I'm going to choose the tag, it's going to be contacts, right? I click on save rule, and that's it. Now each time someone opts in to this page, it's going to get this tag applied, right? So now I'm going to set the thank you page. I'm going to select this template, but honestly you can do, as I said, pretty much anything you want. I'm going to click on click save. Let's say I want to add maybe, you know, like a sales page. So now I want to set right after the opt-in. So I'm going to choose sales page, right? Right, I'm going to choose this template here. And I can reorder the steps inside of my funnel, for example, to send people to the sales page after they opted in, right? So I know some of you guys are going to want to set up your Facebook pixel. Of course, you can do it inside of the editor. So you go to the editor, you click on page settings, and then you just have to copy and paste your code. Okay, so here you can change the page title, which is super important because that's what visitors are going to see on top of their browser. So you can join your affiliate program. Usually I put a call to action there. And here in tracking code, you can add your Facebook pixel. You just have to copy and paste it. Usually here in the header code or in the footer code. If you want to add tracking code inside of the page, you can do it too, but then what you want to do is you're going to add a raw HTML item, you know, maybe here. So it's not going to be displayed, right? But then you can add the code of your tracking code here, right? So you just remove this and you add your custom HTML code here. So that's it for now, guys. If you have more questions, just type them below the video, and I see you soon. Bye.